When people think of windows, they think efficiency. But today we're going to talk about something different. Comfort. Being comfortable in your own home. Back in the 90s, the Department of Energy made a recommendation that we would keep our thermostats in the summer at 68 degrees and in the winter at 72 degrees. Now, we considered that to be comfortable. Fast forward to now, and the most recent recommendations by the Department of Energy, those numbers have changed quite a bit. The most recent recommendation is that in the summer, we set our thermostat at 78 degrees, and in the winter at 64 degrees. Now, as you can tell, there's a pretty big difference in those two numbers. Sometimes in the lens of energy efficiency, we have had to sacrifice comfort. This is where windows can really make an impact. They can allow us to gain the energy efficiency we desire without giving up the comfort we want most.